Good morning from Caesar's Head in South Carolina. Today I'll be heading into North Carolina, checking out more waterfalls. Let's go explore this beautiful area in Pisgah National Forest. I've just crossed over back to North Carolina and I am here in the Dupont State Forest. Right now I'm going to be exploring many waterfalls here: Hooker Falls, High Falls, and Triple Falls. It's a 3-mile loop that takes you through these beautiful waterfalls on the Little River. First up, Hooker Falls. These are some of my favorite hikes: following a river to an overlook or a destination, music to the ears, birds singing. It smells so fresh. I wish you guys can smell it. It just rained a ton last night, so the forest comes alive. I always say Oregon is the waterfall capital of America. However, North Carolina sure does give its run for its money. You guys have to come to North Carolina and check it out. What an amazing start to another day here in North Carolina. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2 falls because we have plenty more coming. See you guys from the next waterfall. Previous waterfall was the Looking Glass Fall, a very cool waterfall. Just a few steps down and you're right underneath it. Just up the road about half a mile is the Moore Cove Trail, which leads to another beautiful waterfall. It's only 1 mile round trip. Easy hike. The best $2 ever spent. If you're ever in Pisgah National Forest, check out the sliding rock. What an amazing time. I think this is the highlight of my trip so far. Behind me far in the distance is the Looking Glass Rock, which is the area I was just exploring. And we're coming to the end of my journey here today. I hope you guys enjoyed all the waterfalls I've taken you and all the adventures today. I'm now on the Blue Ridge Parkway, which I'll be exploring tomorrow, and that video will be out next week. I hope you join me for this amazing, beautiful drive. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.